Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to show what you are doing on Discord mobile. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So now before we begin with the tutorial, just want to tell you that there is no specific option as of now on Discord mobile to see what application you are using or what play or game you are playing. Okay, so what you need to do is to just go ahead and update your status. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm just gonna show you on how to do that. So first of all, you want to open your Discord app. Now click on your profile photo at the lower right corner of your screen. Now I want you to do is to click on privacy and safety. So now here at the activity status, you want to turn that switch on, the display current activity as a status message. So just go ahead and turn that on, and then just go ahead and scroll down until you see use data to customize my Discord experience. Okay, so just go ahead and toggle that switch on again. Then after that, I want you to do is to go back here on your profile and then click on set status. Now click on set a custom status, and then just go ahead and and type what you are doing or what you are playing. So I'm just gonna, for example, say playing Stumble Guys, like that. And then once you've done that, just go ahead and click on save. And if you want other users to be updated on what you are doing, just go ahead and change your status by doing the same thing. Okay, so as of now, that is the only option that you have. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.